Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on the application of Netflix. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Netflix and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.